English Edition, Symbols, Terms, and Beyond. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of mathematics, specifically, the topic of addition. We'll focus on understanding addition symbols and terminology in English. So, let's get started. Addition is a mathematical operation that combines two or more numbers, or addends, into a larger total, known as the sum. The symbol used to indicate addition is the plus sign, plus. For example, when we add 3 and 2, we write it as 3 plus 2 equals 5, where 5 is the sum. Understanding the vocabulary used in addition is key to comprehending and using it correctly. Here are some important terms. 1. Addend. These are the numbers you add together. In 2 plus 3 equals 5, both 2 and 3 are addends. 2. Sum. This is the result of adding the addends. In 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 is the sum. 3. Plus. This is the word we use to denote the addition symbol, plus. In 2 plus 3 equals 5, the term plus can be used to read the equation as 2 plus 3 equals 5. 4. Equals. This term is used to denote the equality symbol, smiley face. It means that the value on the left side is the same as the value on the right side. Now that we know the terms, let's learn to use them in sentences. Here are some examples. 1. The sum of 2 and 3 is 5. 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3. When we add 2 and 3 together, we get 5. And there you have it. Today we've learned about the symbols and terminology used in addition in the English language. Remember, understanding and using these terms correctly will make mathematics easier and more enjoyable. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video where we'll continue our exploration of numbers and counting. Happy learning!